Hello and welcome to this Math Habits lesson on subtracting mixed numbers using fraction bars. So let's get started. Let's take this equation, 3 3/12 minus 1 8/12. We can use fraction bars to solve this problem. Here is a fraction bar, and we can see that the three holes are represented by the three solid bars. And the fourth bar is divided into twelfths, and there are three of those twelfths shaded. So this fraction bar represents 3 3/12. Now, our problem is asking us to take away 1 8/12 from 3 3/12. So firstly, let's get rid of the one hole. And there it goes. So those three holes now become two holes. So now the only thing left to do is take away 8/12. And to do this, we divide this hole into twelfths. Now we take away each of the 1/12 segments, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what we are left with is 1 whole and 7/12. And that is our final answer, 1 whole and 7/12. And that is it for this lesson on subtracting mixed numbers using fraction bars.